Take on multiple messes around the home, garage, workshop, and more with the SWD4000 electric wet-dry vac from Sunjo. Standard shop vacs are cumbersome and bulky, difficult to maneuver and even harder to store. So Sunjo created the compact vac that's just the right size for minor messes and spills. Turn on the tornado in your tank to deliver the highest level of suction. With up to 3.5 horsepower, 8.5 amps, and 50 cubic feet per minute of airflow, SWD4000 will keep your home and auto looking spotless. The multi-cyclone filtration system powerfully lifts and captures deep down dirt and dust on any surface, while the washable, reusable foam filter makes cleaning spills a cinch. Dirt and debris are no match for Sunjo. The 7-piece accessory kit includes handy attachments like the carpet and floor brush, dust brush, crevice nozzle, and more, ensuring you'll always have the right type of tool close at hand. And when the job's done, simply detach the 4-gallon dust tank for quick cleanups and easy debris disposal. And every SWD4000 comes with Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty for worry-free performance you can count on. So when life gets a little messy, go with Joe to get the powerful clean you need, wet or dry. The SWD4000 electric wet dry vac from Sunjo. Get equipped.